This message is for all these content creators on social media and some comedian where they do prank. This prank what they do on social media is too much. Why I say that this prank what they do is too much is that if something they happen, we not go know. Some people go believe that is a prank. Somebody may dying, crying people to help them. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, people may think it's a prank. Husband and wife will come on social media disgracing themselves under the name of prank. This girl now where they talk say other Yahoo boys or something like that, then carry the girl do juju sacrifice. The girl they complain on social media, look at what is happening to my private person, something like that. And I believe that all of you have watched the video. Do you know that some people say that this is a prank? Some people say it's true. Why? Because prank is too much on social media. There are some people that have problem on social media. They will be crying people to help them. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, help me. Oh, people will say that is a prank. There was this little boy in Imo State. They said that other police come and arrest the guy. People were saying it's a prank. Some people were saying it's true. Why? Because prank is too much on social media. When something will happen, people will believe that it's a prank. It's too much. If una do prank finish, make una the lighter for una this is a prank. People will know. Assuming one day you gonna walk out from Menlo, they go, you collapse. If you collapse, people will know you go talk say na prank way they do, and you are dying. Then go talk say okay, leave am. Maybe cameraman had somewhere. Maybe cameraman there somewhere they look out the thing way they do. They don't know you, they die. Because they don't use prank, know you. When something will happen to you, people go talk say, na prank.